Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. So you are having an issue with your OpenTX radio control that whenever you turn the radio on, a message pops up, SD card warning, and you have done your best, upgraded the firmware and done everything that you could, but you still get that message. That damn message stays right there and bothers you all the time, every day, making you think maybe something is wrong. Let me show you how to easily get rid of that message and fix your radio controller. That is OpenTX Radio Control. In this case, the OpenTX TX16S RadioMaster. So let us get to work. Radio, that is an OpenTX radio, no matter what brand. And you pulled your TF card out from your older radio and shoved it into your new radio. So all your settings, models, and files, sound files, customization, all that is stored in that TF card will come to your new radio. And then you are happily turning it on. And when you get in, you get to see this warning. Every time you turn the radio on, you see the SD card warning, expected version 2.3 V0029, press any key. Now you have upgraded the firmware, you have done all your best to get rid of this message, but you are unable to get rid of this message. Let me show you what you need to do. So first off, before skipping, remember and write down this number, 2.3 V0029. Now there are two ways to do it. Welcome to my messy table. One, use your computer and directly with your radio controller. Now in case of RadioMaster TX16S, which is this max edition right here, all you need to do is, one moment, just
Light mode, normal, throttle disabled.
go in. Okay, and then plug your USB-C cable in. Make sure the other end is in the computer. And here it says use it as a USB joystick or USB storage. So go ahead, use it as a USB storage. And now come to your computer properly. Now in the computer, when you go to the USB drive, which is your TF card. Now if you do not have the TX16S, you have some other other radio controller, you can simply bring the TF card out, for example this TF card, and use any USB TF card reader and plug it in your computer USB port. So the point is you need to access the TF card, and when you go to the TF card, here you will see OpenTX SD card version. Okay, so you need to open this with a notepad. Now if I right click it and say open with, it will give me something because it's not recognized. So what I'll do is I'll just open one notepad, okay, and go to new file, and I'll go back to this and put it in the notepad. Now you can see that the version is saying 2.3 V0026, while we need the version 2.9. All right, so I'm just gonna edit this just like this, 2.9, which is not much difference because you know, it's very little increment. If you have a huge difference in number like 2.1, then you might want to upgrade the content of your TF card. But if you do not have much difference like 2.6, 2.9, then just update this and hit close, hit save. All right, that's it. And now come to your radio controller, remove the
Light mode, normal, throttle disabled.
USB, and let's see. I turn off the radio. I turn on the radio.
Welcome back, alishanmao. Fly it like you stole it. Have fun.
Okay.
Throttle warning.
So
Switch warning.
throttle was an idle. Throttle is idle. Switch warning. The switches are there. And right after that, remember before the message popped up for the TF card or SD card warning.
Light mode, normal, throttle disabled. Dual right.
Bam.
On.
Done. your annoying message is gone. This is how you get rid of that annoying SD card warning message in your OpenTX radio. Either edit the OpenTX version file directly in your radio control by connecting it to the computer if you have a RadioMaster TX16S, or just take the TF card out and connect it to, put it in an SD card reader and put it in the computer and edit that file to the right version, and bam, you are done. So thank you very much for watching this video. I just want to laugh again, and stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that little ding ding bell icon, and stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right